Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's dish is my mom's special paneer pudina treat. Start by making the stuffing. In a mixer jar, add green chillies, ginger and lemon juice. Add fresh mint leaves to it and coriander leaves. Blend into a smooth paste. Now add the spices, chilli powder, black pepper, garam masala and salt. Add grated paneer, and cheese. Now blend. Cut paneer into thin rectangular slices. Take 2 slices and put the stuffing in between. Repeat for the rest of the slices. Put them in the freezer now. Let's make the gravy. Into a mixer grinder, we'll put 5 chillies, removing the heads. Cashews, coriander seeds, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and blend. We have to make a really smooth paste like this. To cook the gravy, heat a pan, add ghee to it. Make sure it's hot, add the whole spice, cloves, cardamom, and black pepper. Add the onions to it. Caramelize them to a golden brown color. This takes time. Now add the masala to it that we previously grinded. Add red chilli and turmeric. Now add the leftover stuffing from earlier. And a lot of butter. Keep cooking until the ghee separates. I added some fresh cream to it for a really rich flavor and texture. Now we'll fry the paneer trail. Heat another pan. Put ghee in it and heat. Transfer the paneer trail very carefully to the pan. It's time for plating, guys. Transfer the masala to a plate. Add the paneer trail to it. And sprinkle generously with cheese. Enjoy your paneer pudina trail with chapati or rice.